Okay, got all wrapped up like it was never out of there, except of course I forgot the twist tie, but get that down in there. And this has a, I'm not going to turn it off, but this is a cutoff switch because this particular smart car can be flat towed behind a motorhome, which is one of the reasons I actually wanted it in the first place. And then after I got it, man, this is probably the funnest car I've ever had. Funnest to drive, best gas mileage. Oh, it's got the best seats. It's got a ton of room. Here's where the tow package is. I got the inserts here in the tow bar at home. So everybody thinks, oh, it's a little electric car. No, it just needs to be hooked up to have the lights work in the back. And it's already wired for it. So right there alone is probably a $2,000 option, especially considering it is technically a Mercedes. Or I like to say a quarter of a Mercedes, because the engine is a Mitsubishi 1 liter 1000 cc engine, and this one's not turbocharged like some of them are, but it doesn't really need it. It's actually a pretty fast little car, completely stock. So I just figure, since I have to use the light to do stuff, I ain't done a bunch of videos on my smart car yet, but maybe when the weather's better. I just don't feel like driving it in the rain and end up like a rubber ducky floating down the gutter. So anyways, so that's that.